Hey, it's Roger Pettingell. I'm here with Kelly Rosenberg. We're doing something kind of cool. Kelly, you want to talk about it a little bit?
Yeah, so it's a great opportunity we have to participate in a wonderful endeavor that two awesome real estate agents in town have started, and we are providing meals to hometown healthcare heroes, nurses, doctors, first responders, and we're happy to participate tonight. We're here at the Shore in St. Armand Circle.
So there was a huge fundraiser, right, put on, and everybody contributed. I mean, it just went crazy viral.
Awesome.
And so then the money has been put together to support the local restaurants and then the local healthcare providers. So we're here, it's like 8:15, getting ready for, I think it's National Nurses Day, right?
Yes.
And we're going to grab them something really great to eat from the Shore and take it over to Sarasota Memorial Hospital.
It's a win-win. We're happy to participate.
There we go. Let's go. Ready? I think there's food coming.
This is just a thing.
What are we feeding?
Oh, look at this.
Okay, so we have grouper tacos. We have
No, it'd be better.
okay, so we have grouper tacos. We have burgers, chicken sandwiches, beef salad with salmon, and we have a whole pan of calamari. We have key lime pie for dessert.
Oh my goodness.
We have a lot of
That's gonna be a lot of happy nurses.
So we really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, but it's important. We need to put them in these now. Ready? Off we go. That there are also 4 specific sponsors of this dinner tonight. I don't know if you can read it there. I'll read it for you.
Thank you.
It's very hard. It's dark. It's Kathy Callahan, Bev Murray, Cynthia Smalia, and Christina Fisher. So
That's awesome.
thanks
Thank
for
you.
that. Key lime pie.
Oh, key lime pie. You can do it. The list goes on and on. We actually tried to remember everything we said, but
They wrote it on there